What's up, guys? Gonna talk about some two-step equations. First, I'm just gonna kind of introduce the concept and what you're looking at as how to solve. Um, yep. So before, we almost always had variable and then something operation, right? Operation. This could have been addition or subtraction or division or multiplication or powers or roots or whatever. And then it was equal to something over here. Usually a number. I'm just going to leave it at that. Now, we're going to have a little bit different. We're going to have a little bit more besides just one operation. Before we just were like, alright, we're going to do the opposite. Bam. Opposite other side. Cancel out. Good to go. Variable. Now we're going to have two things to do. So really it's just going to be about order, right? So we're going to mostly focus on how far is each term from the variable. At least this is what I think about. You know, other people might think about it differently, but I'm just going to tell you how I do it. And if you find out different ways to do it, I encourage you to seek out every different way and find the best way for you. And I'll show you different ways if you don't like this way. But here we go. So most of the time, well, I'm just going to do one example. We got something like 2x minus 3 equals 7. Bam. Now instead of just having, oh, I've got this 2 multiplying, and I've got this 3 subtracting. Now instead of just having the 2 multiplying, I have a 2 multiplying and a 3 subtracting. So how do I decide what do I want to do first? Do I want to divide by 2 first? Do I want to add 3 first? And it's always going to be which one's further away, and which one's further away from the variable. So right now, which one's further away? Just think about it. Yeah, this 3 is further away. This 2 is attached and multiplying with the variable, but the 3 is a little further away. So we're going to do the opposite of that first, both sides. Still cancel out. Now what's left here? I still have 2x, so I'm going to just draw my 2x. You know, I could bring it down, but it's just on the left side of the equation. 7 plus 3, 10. And now I can approach it just as a one-step equation. Once I do the proper first step and move that furthest term away, do the opposite of the furthest term to both sides, then I can get rid of my last term just like it's a one-step equation. So then what do? We added 3 to both sides, and then we divided by 2 both sides, and get our nice little x equals, wow, that didn't come out at all. Alright, so yeah, two-step equations in general. What am I going to do first? Move. I guess maybe moves are not proper. Maybe I just wanted to be like, do the opposite of furthest term. On the same side as the variable. Not on the other side. Not a 7. Just on, it has to be on the same side. And then one step out. Yeah. Alright. Yeah.